Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video, we showcase the excellent real-time transmission performance of the G20 video transmission system in dynamic flight scenarios. The G20 remote controller features a new Qualcomm 6nm, 8-core processor, running Android 13 embedded system. The operation is smooth and the ecosystem is open, allowing the installation of most apps available on the market. It uses a new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8 GHz dual-frequency wireless module, supporting automatic frequency hopping and MCS dynamic adjustments. The video and data transmission range can reach up to 30 kilometers. The G20 video transmission system demonstrates outstanding real-time transmission performance in dynamic flight scenarios. The flight process is silky smooth with no noticeable delay or stuttering, providing a fluid flight experience. The intelligent dual-frequency transmission technology automatically selects the best channel, ensuring stable video output. That's it for the test. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.